Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Sussex County until 7:30 p.m. At 6:22 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm. The storm was near Milford, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing large damaging hail up to golf ball size. The severe thunderstorm will be near Montague around 6:40 p.m., High Point around 7 p.m., Sussex around 7:25 p.m., Hamburg around 7:30 p.m. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, move indoors to a sturdy building and stay away from windows. When it is safe to do so, report severe weather to local law enforcement or to the National Weather Service. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties: Sussex, New Jersey. Here is the forecast. Tonight, showers likely with isolated thunderstorms this evening, then showers likely after midnight. Lows in the upper